What's good everyone, here it is BDX. A few months ago, I made a video about me rebranding a website for a client, and I already completed the website for about, let's say, 2 months to 3 months now. And this is how the website is looking. The brand does three major stuff. They're into IT solutions, they're into cleaning services, and they're also, this particular feature will be coming up very soon, but it's not yet active. The two main active solutions are IT solutions and also cleaning services. So if you also need cleaning services in the UK, you can just reach out to Clefemad. So you can just come over to their website and just go over to contacts to contact them. For the IT solutions, the locations are based in Nigeria, UK, and USA. So once you get over to contact page, you'll also be seeing that. But let's just take a look through the website. We're on the home page now. Why choose Clefemad? IT solution. Then we have cleaning services. For the IT solution, you're going to be seeing all the services under IT solution, and this particular feature is yet to be available. So we have the cleaning services. We have the about for you to get to know more about Clefemad. So let's go through the home page. For the home page now, so we have this page or this section, trusted across services we deliver. Okay, so just scrolling down, you see your service section here, helping businesses work better. You can just click on this button to get access to the about page. This website is a very simple website and it's straightforward, so it's not complicated. They have the IT services, that is the solution they're rendering. You see IT support and system maintenance, remote IT services. You can just click on this button to get over to the IT solution page. They also read on the cleaning solutions, office cleaning, residential cleaning, you see here. So you can just click on this button to book cleaning solutions with them. This all see with AI is coming soon. The white users page. Then we have the projects they've actually worked on. So they've worked on for this IT solution. They've built a website for a client, and they also be seeing this cleaning service here. You have the testimonial section. You see what people are saying about working with them. You have this FAQ. Very simple, very neat. So just scrolling down, have a project. Just click on this button to get in touch with them. Then you see this footer. The footer is also very neat. So we have the site menu, Almighty Solution, also with their cleaning service. White users about contact. Then you see the reach out. You can reach out to them here. At the IT solution page, you see the way the IT page is looking. You see this IT, their expertise. You see it here, IT support, dog DNA. Then you see our clients who they support, and just a CTA. So you can also go over to the cleaning service. But let's just go over to the contacts. You can go over to the about to learn more about the brand. So that will be all for this video. If you want to review the full website, the full rebranded website, so you can just head over to clefemad.com. If you want me to help you build your website, you can just contact me here. Bye guys.